Yeah, so this is the first thing, gold. We are targeting the short-term trading, and yeah, mm, it's uh, it's out of bounds. We don't really have a range that we can trade longer term, so that's why we should focus on the FEG on gold. Next is oil. The plan we are following is quite okay. So this is the low that was created on the first week of August, and that's why we are targeting around 72 area. So that bottom area we are targeting with SLP below this SMC order block, and just targeting the follow through on the upside. If this is anything like this, the previous one, then it's perfectly fine. Otherwise, yeah, we'll have to see. Mm, Nasdaq, as I mentioned, potential for a longer term downside is there. The SMC order block is there. The pivot level is a bit higher, but the trend line is suggesting that we might see some downside in the near future. Among the key trades, as we discussed, are euro, which needs to keep this order block, keep this pivot line. It has broken out, has been consolidating above, but we need it to come back below, then execute our trade after a clear close below this pivot level. That's the trade on euro. USD JPY, as we targeted, it worked again, yet again, pretty well. So it went to that order block which we were expecting, and then bounced back 100 pips plus. So yeah, that's very good as well. AUD USD, as it was shared, it is it is up, it is out of the bounce. It has hit quite long term top side. It is close to the top of the year. It is getting resisted around this order block, this pivot, forming a channel, something like this. It might break out, we don't know, but the probability on the downside seem much higher for now. USD CAD, after the upside yesterday, is again down and now targeting below 1.36. But if we look at the 50 DMA, so let me just open it up. So if we look at the 200-day MA, uh, it's just there, just below there. The SMC block is also there. There can be wicks below, but as long as we don't get a close or clear break below that 1.3580, the idea remains alive. But yeah, keeping watch, and we'll let you know as I mentioned. NZD USD is also looking primed for a downside. Uh, yeah, it is looking primed for a downside, maybe from that 6.2 area, 6.18 area, but not just there right yet. We will discuss this, but the more immediate opportunity, as we discussed, is it's on the USD CHF. It has been falling for a long time, and now it is getting closer to that pivot, where the price saw sharp upside from again. We are looking for something similar in this area. Apart from this, I think interesting opportunities in Germany 40, that which is DAX, is there from this 18,500 level. It's a little bit riskier with the markets rallying a bit. On this upside, there are also other levels, other resistance that are there. The reset recovery has now completed. We might see follow through downside, which is generally there after this kind of recovery. So you can see recovery, then follow through, recovery, then follow through, recovery, then follow through. It will see that this happens a lot after recoveries. So this is a prime example recovery, and then yeah, already resisted here again. It can. For Bitcoin, the picture is very unclear to me. Personally, I think it is better to be sure about Bitcoin before making any kind of trade there. But if we want some short-term trades, 58,000 entries are very good. We can look for order blocks or even FEGs there. So there is this 1 hour FEG uh, on on on, uh, on Bitcoin here. So okay. So these two levels can be targeted as potential entries. So if we can place our entry here and then back ourselves to get some upside, that's fine. Short-term trading, that's fine. Same with Solana. 140 level has been confirmed a few times. There is order block, there is AVG there. So short-term trading, we buy, we wait uh, with a small amount of risk, like 141 or 40.5 to 140 is not a big risk, half a percent, a bit more risk, which is fine by us. We can do that. Uh, but yeah, apart from those, we have the key opportunities in the cross pairs, which is as I shared, Euro JPY from this level, follow through short, because I'm targeting Euro shorts. Uh, this is an opportunity if we don't want that dollar sided volatility. Same with euro, what was it? Euro AUD, I think. No, sorry, Euro CAD. So Euro CAD is the similar opportunity with us forecasting longer term upside in oil prices. CAD could do well, or at least better than euro, as euro is seems due for a correction, and if that happens, this is a good opportunity with a good risk reward ratio. Previously mentioned opportunities like euro CHF remains on the card. AUD CHF, it worked 46. Sorry, how much? Yeah, almost 60 pips. It worked. Same level remains open. If we go there, we short. Uh, what else? NZ USD, as I mentioned, is looks prime for a downside, but we are not just yet ready for an entry. Euro NZD, as I mentioned, it moves a lot. It's a lot weaky kind of chart. It's not a smooth chart, but it can move up as well. Uh, Euro CHF is a good one as well, so we can keep tracking it for the downside. Previously, we were targeting the upside, but it didn't quite pan out. Euro AUD, similar thing. We were targeting the upside from there, but it fell through. I canceled the trade. I mentioned that this trade we should not take. But if we have a retest here, which I'm looking for at this FPG, especially on the 4 hour FPG, especially at 6544, 655 area, then it can also act as a like euro proxy trade in the future. To decrease, if we are taking some of the CHF trades, we might expose ourselves to a lot of CHF negativity. So if we don't want to do that, this is positivity. Sorry, we don't want to take too many CHF positive trades. This along with the USD CHF is a good trade to short. JPY is doing well on a cross range. I think around 171.3 to 171.8 or 8 something. We can short this pair, target whatever downside in the shorter term we can get with a good asset. So these are the all opportunities we have at the moment, specifically in the segment. So the process, sorry, the futures are there, but I don't see a good opportunity that we can like really back with fundamentals at the moment. Like for example, cocoa is quite high, but the fundamentals are very bullish at the moment. Like same example for sugar, the fundamentals are bullish, price is falling through. Sorry, fundamentals are bearish, but price is nowhere close to a shorting level. Apart from these, we have the indices. Among the indices, like I mentioned, all the US indices are expected to go to the downside, and the Germany's index as well as same to follow them. 38.800 is a level to watch. So this is something I am watching for the Nikkei. It can create some sort of downside, but yeah, that's it for the opportunities. Core opportunities. What I am